Hi, my name's Terry. I live in Northwest Arkansas, and I'm the happy owner of Starkey hearing aids. The Starkey hearing aid I have is the Omega AI 24. I suffer from moderate to severe hearing loss in my left ear and moderate hearing loss in my right ear. I'm now the happy owner of these Starkey hearing aids, and I want to tell you about them. My journey to Starkey was a long one. Maybe you can recognize the trail that I led to finally feeling good about the hearing aids that I use today. I started out buying a cheap amplifier online, and then I bought a little more expensive one because there really didn't seem to be a big difference in how it was helping me. And then after that, I decided to buy an OTC hearing aid. I bought that online too. And that didn't seem to make much of a difference for the amount of money I spent. So I sent those back because it was within the trial period, and I bought a different OTC set, and they were more expensive, and I sent those back again. Then I went to a major retailer to get a prescription hearing aid. You know, the kind of hearing aid company that sits inside and is a third party to the company. They helped me do an audiogram and determine, what level of hearing loss I had, and I spent a lot of money for hearing aids that really did not deliver. And I had a bad experience in terms of going back and trying to get them fixed and blah, blah, blah. It was just kind of a big mess. And I was kind of resigned to living what did you say, lifestyle. And my wife convinced me to explore the marketplace. Do some serious research, she said. Try to find a hearing aid that can actually help you in your life, particularly my job as an English professor. I had done my research. I narrowed my selection to three possible hearing aids, all ranked top shelf by various rating sites. I called then and chatted with a Zip hearing rep. And he was a no pressure agent with answers to all my questions. He offered up several possible avenues to connect with a hearing aid practitioner. And he walked with me as I made my first appointment. And he followed up as in my trial period, which then led to my eventual purchase. Zip has been a great partner, as has been the local hearing aid business that Zip connected me to. It was they who did the actual fitting, the trial, and assisted me in my successful transition to the hearing aids that I currently wear. And that's the hearing aid in my left ear. And then I have the hearing aid from my right ear here in the charging case, which I'll tell you about in a moment. But as you can see, they are just hearing aids like you might see anywhere else, but they're armed with 21st century technology that makes a difference. And as one who's been through several different types of hearing aids, these truly do work. You know, one feature that I especially love is the AI Smart Assistant. It's on my phone, easy to connect to, and let's see here. Just give me a second. Get that up. My Starkey hearing aid right here gives me a number of different options. The program is the one that I use most often. It allows me for different environments here. The edge mode actually will determine the environment that I'm in and customize the hearing aid for that environment. Think about an auditorium, think about a restaurant that's busy with the din of conversation from hard surfaces. All of that works great. And I am always able to access this and change my hearing aid to make it better for the particular situation. I love the app. Number one, I love the app. It's tremendous use for the Starkey Omega AI. But I had two major concerns about my hearing aids, which none of the previous ones that I had were able to address. And the first concern was conversations in the classroom, because in-class discussions are essential in my job, and I could not perform well if my hearing aids did not. Starkey Omegas immediately made a difference in my hearing and ability to be a quality English professor. Being able to hear my students when they have a right or a wrong answer and then reaffirm or correct is essential to being a English professor at the college level. And the second issue is music. My wife and I enjoy the symphony, and the music in our church is absolutely outstanding. However, the hearing aids I've had in the past seem to squelch on certain notes, seem to be string instruments like violins, violas. The organ too seemed to be the major culprits. What note it was or what notes they are, I could not tell you, but it was annoying because not only was it detectable to me, but the people around me would hear that squelch, so I'd have to take the hearing aids out, turn them off, put them in my pocket, and then try to remember when I got home to take them out. So it's annoying to me and anyone sitting near us. But with the Starkey app, which has that great music program on it, it solved the issue straight away. And so the two major issues that I was primarily concerned with, Starkey solved. Another plus was battery life lasts all day. Absolutely efficient. This little charging case here is sits on the side of my bed, and at the end of the day, I put my hearing aids in there. They fit in there perfectly. There's no wrong way to put them in, and overnight they charge, and I've got another, I don't know, 24, 36 hours worth of battery life. I've just never run out, so I can't tell you how long. But if you've had hearing aids at all, you know what a pain it is to run out of power and or forget to bring a battery when the battery dies out. With the Starkey hearing aid charger and the length of battery time that I have, it's never happened. So I'm very happy. I'm quite happy actually. I'm glad to recommend the Starkey Omega AI 24 and to recommend Zip Hearing as well. They're your first step to successfully enjoying the 21st technology, which again I don't understand, but has made all the difference in the world to my hearing, and that will make your own hearing experience a better one. It's worked for me, and I believe it will work for you. Thank you for listening. Take care. Be well.